Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to make knotless braids. So if you're interested in learning how to make that, then you should definitely stay tuned. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, now is the time to do that. So the first thing you do is to section your hair into whatever size you want. Once you're done with that, you split the hair into 3. Then you start the way you would your box braids. So you get your braiding hair, you feed it into the middle leg of the braids you have. So once you get your braiding hair, the first thing to do is to hold it with your pinky. When you hold it with your pinky, it will help you to secure the braids. It will be easy for you to feed in. So when you feed it in, then you flip it to the other side. So you only feed in through one side, and it's only going into the middle leg of the braids. So once you've done this, you just flip it all over and then start making your braids. So it's very easy. When you're doing this, just think like you're doing cornrows. That's actually the method you use in making it. So but it's just, if you start it the way you start cornrows, sort of, then you make it. It's very easy. So you are going to watch this so that you can see it how I am doing it. It's actually very clear. So the important thing to note about this method is that once you bring the braiding hair, you hold it first with your pinky, then you feed it into the middle leg. Then once you feed the first side in, then you flip the other side and still feed it into the middle leg. So just know that everything is going into the middle leg. So here is the first leg, the first leg, the second one is in the middle, then this is the third, then this is the hair you're feeding in. So you take it and put into the middle leg, and that is it. So here is it. So once you do that, you're good to go. Then you start your box braids. So another important thing to note is that you must tuck in. If you have been watching my videos, you know that it's compulsory for you to tuck in. Like, don't make braids and your natural hair and every other thing is sticking out. It doesn't make sense. So please, you have to tuck in all the time. So for this next one, I'll be doing a different method. So you start it like you're starting box braids, then you get the braiding hair, then you hold it just the way I am holding it, then let your index finger enter into it. Once it enters, you just collect it the way it is, then you continue. So actually I find this method easier and faster. Like, it doesn't take time at all. If you want to increase your time, then this is the method you should use. But I understand that a lot of people find this method more difficult. I can't exactly say why, but they find it more difficult to grab. But once you grab it, this is the fastest method to use. So you just hold it like this with your index finger coming out, then you put the other index finger in between the braids, then you start braiding like that, and that's all. So guys, now is the perfect time for you to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that already, share and like this video, please. So for this next one, I'll be doing a large size braid. So as you can see, the hair I cut out is quite big. So I want to show you guys how to make it even if it's large braid, it's still the same thing. So when I make knotless braids, I feed in mostly 3 times. It doesn't matter the size of the hair I am making. I only split the braiding hair according to the size of the braids I'm making. So if I'm going to make large size of braids, that means the braiding hair I'm going to use will be bigger than what I would use if I'm making small size braid. So yes, so another important thing to note is that make sure that your hand and your grip is tight. Don't loosen your grip as you're trying to feed in. Make sure your grip is tight. Making knotless braid is quite similar to how you make cornrows. The way you start the beginning of cornrow, then the feeding method and everything is similar. It's almost the same. The only difference is that with cornrow, you're weaving the hair, you're feeding in almost from the beginning to the end. But this one, you're only feeding in only at the small bust you cut out, or whatever style you cut out. So for this last one, I'll be repeating the very first method. So guys, let me know what you think about these methods. Which one do you use? Which one do you find easier? Which one do you like? So please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.